Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is how to write and read a YouTube video script that makes you look like a pro. Before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe our channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started. You might think that appear authentic in videos, you have to be unscripted and spontaneous, but I am here to tell you that to appear natural and confident on a video almost always requires an excellent script and the ability to read as through your speaking tempo. The ability to write an excellent script is based on a basic storytelling technique, and in this video I will show you how to develop a script formula that you can use again and again for all your videos. How to storyboard a script. Different types of a video will require scripted of varying lengths and structures. Maybe you are scripting a how to video or perhaps a promotional video. No matter which type of a script you are writing, you can base it on a typical three-act storytelling structure. The three-act structure breaks down a script as follows. In this video you introduce your audience to a problem they might be facing. The second act you escalate the program to the climax, and the third act you solve the problem for your audience thereby reaching a resolution. How to write a YouTube video script. The VET formula. YouTube videos typically perform better than someone clicks on a video title and they watch the video all the way until the end and they take specific actions such as subscribers to your channel, downloads a lead magnet, head over your sales page or watch another video, one of the video. This is your act 1 that forms the first view second of your video, where you get straight into the reason why someone would want to watch video. The purpose of your intro is to fulfill the promise of your video title so that your viewers feel they made the right decision to watch your video. You want to immediately put them at easy to so they relax and want to watch the rest of your video. The title sequence for a YouTube video. This is a point where you would add in a title. There's typically where your branding goes. Your title sequence tells your audience the type of show they are watching and the tagline of your shows. Frame the problem. This is your act 2 and the part in this video where you escape the problem by adding context to it. They talk about the problem you will be solving from different angles to help the viewers gain a deeper understanding for it. They discuss how the problem affects their business or life and why they may be facing the problem. The solution with CTA. It is finally time to present your answers and resolutions to your viewers' problem. If you can make your resolution fit sequential steps using usually easier to follow along on video. If you can know practical examples to fit each solution points, then that will help your audience remember your steps. Add visual interest to your script. Once you have got your core video scripted written out, it's time to add some embellishment for your video. That means additional to footage that help demonstrate concept and keep visual interest. This is called B-roll footage because it is an addition to your A-roll or primary footage. How to read a video script. Once you have written out your script, you want to be able to present it naturally on camera. It can be painstaking to have memorized the entire script. You also don't want to appear like you are reading a script, which can make you look robotic and unethical. If you have written your script according to the VET formula above, you don't have to memorize your entire script. You just need to know the flow of your video script as follows. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel so you can get the latest videos. Thank you so much.